Hi there, this is Maths with Angela. So we're doing this fraction of amount question, but this time we're going to be using a calculator. So I'll leave you to do the one written in black about the elephant. So I'm just going to do this example one here so you've got something to follow. So the sack of flour weighs 245 kilograms. The sack is increased by 3/10. What is the weight now? Okay, so we're working out 3/10 of 245 kilograms and we're adding it on. So I'm going to show you how you do this with a calculator. So if you're doing it without a calculator, you're going to do 245 divided by 10 and times it by 3. And you can still do that on a calculator if you want. So let's do that. So we're going to do 245 divided by the bottom of the fraction, which is divided by 10, okay, which on the calculator, which you can use, is 24.5, and then we're going to do 24.5 times by the top of the fraction, which is 3, and yes, we can use a calculator for that, and we get 73.5. Now it's worth 3 marks. There's 3 things we're working out here. So this is the second mark that we get here. So finally we've got to add it on. So we've got 245 plus our 73.5, and this is all kilograms. So 245 plus 73.5 is 318.5 kilograms. And that's how you do it with a calculator. Hopefully that's helpful. Bye for now.